Hello guys and welcome to another video. Today I will show you how to remove this door panel from this Mercedes E-Class from 2010. For removing the door panel we need a T30 Torx and a plastic removal tool. We have underneath this cover two Torx. First we have to remove this cover. With the plastic removal tool you can remove it really easy. Okay, here we have the two screws. Okay, now we remove the screw. We have just clips in this door now. With the plastic removal tool, just put it underneath the door panel and it pops up. Now look how easy it was.